44 Prospect open to the Bulkley Bridge, tied again out by 59. And the 384 interchange, westbound 84 is tied up Bulkley Bridge out to 45 Flatbush Avenue. If you're traveling Route 3 northbound, delays from the Putnam Bridge over to the Route 2 ramps, 84 eastbound Waterbury delays 17 to 18. If you're traveling in Middletown 9 northbound, you're slowing from Harwood Park to the Arcody Bridge. Reading southbound at Shelton between 12 and 11. Look out for delays down there. We have a report of a vehicle fire. When it comes to keeping your home comfortable, Petro delivers more than heating oil and propane.
Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
That's 888 Petro 02 to save $100 on oil.
I can't believe it.
Traffic Center.
Personalized entree or drink flavor for just $9.99. Visit the 99 restaurants today for one of your 9 personalized entrees for $9.99. Like the sun-fried tomato chicken for $99.
Her doctor at Windsor, Connecticut is one of her longest relationships. She was there before Dad went all the
Chop, no, please.
Everyone was so warm and the care amazing. I get it now. This is why so many women choose Women's Health Connecticut. Connect with a doctor or request an appointment at womenshealthct.com. Women's Health Connecticut, devoted to women, anyone can throw on devil horns and call it a Halloween costume, but not you. You went to Savers. If there was a trophy for best costumes, you and your family would Halloween it. You turned your man into a baker, your daughter into Miss Superhero, and your son's dragon costume is on fire. Figuratively. Savers. Thousands of vintage looks and brand new costumes, plus consultants to help you Halloween. Locations and hours at savers.com.
Over the last 100 years, cutting corners has become a way of life. Quality has gone out of the clothes we wear, the very foods we eat. People have reluctantly accepted good enough. At Borshead, our family has never gone along with this. For 5 generations, we've had an unwavering commitment to quality. Premium delicatessen products made with exceptional ingredients, time-honored recipes, and hand-trimmed the old-fashioned way. You see, for us at Borshead, good enough never has been, nor ever will be good enough.
Is your credit creepy? Is your trade-in terrifying? If you have a job and make $350 per week, Kia of East Hartford wants to make these problems disappear during our RIP sales event. And for you, RIP means really incredible payments.
3 off East Hartford.